Hey guys, it's time for an unboxing. I have decided to get a Sketchbox. I kind of switch around between Sketchbox and Paletable Packs because I don't really do like an ongoing subscription. I kind of, do them 1 or 2 or 3 months at a time. So anyway, my Paletable Packs ran out, so I got a Sketchbox and it just arrived. So let's open it up. Let's make sure I'm getting this right. So yeah. This is the first time I've actually unboxed without even sneaking a peek before, so I'm pretty excited. Okay. Let's get out the little cards first. Ooh, this is really cool. I guess I need to decide what camera I'm looking at, huh? This is like a artwork. This artist's name is Gris. That's pretty cool. I love postcards. I love to hang them around my studio and be inspired by others. And that we got this little list of what's in here. Let's see, I got a aqua board. I love these. I've used them before. They're amazing. And this is such a cool shape, like a little long boy. So I am gonna have a lot of fun with that. Ooh, what is this? I honestly don't know what this is. Let's see. Food pen. This pen has a hard brush fine tip that is ideal for outlining. It contains water-based black pigment ink, so be sure to use it after laying down your watercolors. That's really cool. Okay, I'm excited for that, definitely. Let's see, we got a water brush, which I am constantly needing new ones because I constantly use them and constantly destroy them, so that's fantastic. We got all these needles. I'm gonna get rid of these guys. Oh, we got a bunch of watercolors. Ooh, wait. Ooh. And a cute little Sketchbox sticker. This is a new guy. Love it. I love stickers. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is a Winsor & Newton Payne's Gray. Let's see, another Winsor & Newton Indian Red. Winsor & Newton Raw Sienna. Winsor & Newton Sap Green. And what do we got here? This is a Holbein. I don't even know how to say this. Jaune. Brilliant. It looks kind of like a flesh tone. Yeah. Perfect. So I'm really excited about using these because I don't have any watercolors in tubes. I've only used them in the little pans. So this is probably going to be life-changing and I'm probably never going to go back or something. Figures. So this is all the fun stuff we got today. Oh no, you can see my stand there. That's okay. So yeah. I'm going to do a little tester on these and see what it all looks like. Okay, so I don't want to waste this yet, obviously, so I'm not going to use it, but I'm going to test these out on some Strathmore watercolor paper. I have this little plate I got at the thrift store. I actually have 4 of them, and I thought, wow, this is a great palette, so that's what I got for my watercolors. So let me get some water. Okay. So I'm going to be using my Princeton brushes that one of these I got in another Sketchbox, I'm pretty sure. And this one, I'll use this one. It's a Princeton Neptune size 10 round. Okay, I'm just gonna put a tiny bit out here because I don't want to waste these babies. These are fantastic colors for sketching outdoors, which you know how I love that. Definitely gonna do that. Maybe that's what I'll do with this board, since it's kind of like a, it could be like a horizon somewhere. Ponders. Okay, let's check these out. So this one is the Indian red. That's a really nice earth tone red. I love how easy it is to just load it up with water right off the bat. I'm not used to that. I mean, the pans are like dry, so you have to add the water, and it's just not as easy to like get right down to it. Of course, these are not quite portable either. I mean, not unless you really want to get a big setup going, which I'm too shy for that, so I just kind of try to be as small as possible. Okay, so this is the raw sienna. I love this color too. So pretty. And let's check out this sap green. Every time I get sap green, it ends up being the first one in my palette that's gone. I guess that's because I paint outside a lot. Lots of nature. And Payne's Gray. I love Payne's Gray. Okay. Yes, I can tell I'm really gonna like these. Let's check out this flesh tone. I have a really hard time, I'm not even gonna lie, I have a really hard time mixing flesh tones, so I'm really excited to have this because it's at least a starting point, you know. Then it's pretty easy to add, you know, the pinks or yellows or browns or whatever you need. As you can see, this is very peachy, which I have never actually seen someone with that color of skin, so, you know, you wouldn't want to use it straight, ever. Okay, so let's go on to check out this really cool, like, Japanese marker. What is it called again, since I can't read this? Kuretake Zig Heiki Feud Pen. I have no idea how to say these words. I feel like this is an ongoing thing in all of my YouTube videos. Never know how to pronounce anything. Sorry. So yeah, let's check this out. I never claim to know a lot of things. Okay. It's got a nice fine point there. I really like the scratchy feel of it. So fun. I don't know if it is water soluble or not. So let's make sure this is dry and we'll see what it does. Oh, fantastic. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like. I don't like my black markers to bleed all over the place. I mean, some people use it as a, you know, like a style in their sketches, but that's just not my thing. And we've got this water brush. I'm probably not going to fill it up right now because I don't need it. But it's a pretty long one. Whoops, sorry about that. And it looks like it's a small tip. Let's see what it says. Detailer tip. Well, that's pretty cool. I don't think I actually even have one of those. The only thing, I love that this holds a lot of water, but I use one of my pouches for them, and it doesn't fit in it very easily, which, whatever, I can just make a new one that fits, or I can put it in crooked. But as you can see, some of my other ones, as compared to my other water brushes, it's a lot longer, which depends what you want. If you want more water, fantastic. If you want, you know, the ability to have things smaller and more compact. So that's all for the unboxing today. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to tell you, if you are interested in any of my zipper pouches, this one of course is old and beat up, but I have a wide variety of pouches that I make with all my artwork on them. There's this size is the large zipper pouch, and then I have small ones too. They're about this big, and they're available in my Etsy shop. So I'll put the link to that below if you'd like to check it out and support your artist friend. I also have a Ko-fi account, which is a way to support me. It's only $3, and it's not a subscription base. It's just support me if you feel like it for $3, like buying someone a cup of coffee. So anyway, of course, you never have to do that. I just am happy that you spent the time to watch this video and show an interest in my artwork. And, well, even though this wasn't artwork, just shenanigans. So, yeah, please like and subscribe to this and share with your friends. And, you know, as always, leave me comments, questions, and if you have any requests for videos that you would like me to do, feel free to ask about that. So yeah, the links to everything is below. Sketchbox, Instagram, Facebook, on and on and on. Have a great day. Bye.